Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Flashfood account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Flashfood account, firstly open your Flashfood application. The official page of Flashfood will appear on the screen. Click on Continue with email. You can also log into your Flashfood account with the help of your Facebook account as well as Google account as well. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Flashfood account and then tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot My Password. This is how you can log into your Flashfood account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.